Hello students, in today's video of patterns in Python, let us try to develop this pattern. First of all, you have to develop only this part. First value is 5, but 5 is separated by some distance from the origin. Suppose I write here for I in a range 5, 0 and -1. Suppose reverse values are there. Then for j in a range I -1, 0 and -1, then print j, then end single quote, then print double quote separated by some distance. Let's execute the program. This value is 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1. Suppose these are the values. Basically I have to delete these values. If I write here star, you can print any value here. Basically we have to delete these values. These values are there. You can print the stars in reverse order. Basically first time 4 values are there, then 3, then 2 and 1. Now we have to print these values. First value is 5, then 5 4, 5 4 3, then 5 4 3 2 and 5 4 3 2 1. But you have to check the first value is fixed and the last value is variable. Suppose I write here for m in range 5, it is a starting point. Suppose I write here b, then -1, and I declare b is equal to 4. If I write here b is equal to 4, automatically this value is equal to 5 because the values are there in decreasing order. It means the last value plus 1 is the value. It means 5 to 5, it is the first value. Then I have to print the value of m, then end with single quote. Let us execute. Only 5 is there, but if I write here b is equal to b minus 1, then I can print the exact value. It means first time the value of b is equal to 4 and second time the value of b is equal to 3. It means it will execute up to 4, 5 to 3. It means it will execute from 5 to 4. And next time if the value reduces, it means it increases by one value. 5 4 3, then 5 4 3 2, then 5 4 3 2 1. And in place of star, I can place only the empty space 5 4 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 and 5 4 3 2 1. These are the values. It means up to this point it's okay. Now what's required next? 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 and 1. These values are required. Now look at the first value. This value is variable and second value is fixed. It means these are the values of I basically 4 3 2 1. For I in range 4, 0, -1. What is the meaning of this? Basically, these are the values from 4 to 1. Value of I varies from 4 to 1. And what next? For j in range, starting value is I and ending value is 1. It means you have to write 0, then -1. Means decrease in the values is there. Then print the value of j followed by end, so that you can print the values in single line. Then print some spaces required for next line. You can see the output 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, and next line 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 1. These values are there. Hope you understand the content and how to use for loop for designing different patterns. Basically, you have to design the pattern by dividing the patterns into parts and further implement the for loop by initializing some value and by implementing the content inside increasing or decreasing order.